Hello everyone, this is Peak Entertainment and we are back again, and here now we have another drawing video for you, and this is the coloured version of Spider-Man complete on here. And if you are new to the channel and enjoy the content that I produce on here, please hit those subscribe and like buttons and help me continue to grow this channel as I progress on in the future. So as I mentioned before, here's now the finished version of Spider-Man, so you'll see the various colours and tones that I use on here. If you have a favourite character that you like and you like my art style and you'd like to see me draw it, then let me know in the comments, or also contact me on my Facebook or my Twitter or my Instagram. I will be drawing more Marvel characters as well. I've been promising for a while now that I will eventually be drawing Carnage as well, because I drew Venom previously. So just to keep a consistency with the character, I will produce a drawing of Carnage, and I'll also start drawing more anime characters, and I think the next one up will be characters from My Hero Academia. So look out for that very soon and let me know what you think in the comments below. So that's it for now. Take care of yourselves, stay at safe distances, and enjoy my drawing of Spider-Man.
This beat will make your speakers blow up, blow up, blow up. I bang beats on the beat.